Whey protein begins long before factories, right here at the dairy farm.
Order and routine shape modern milk harvesting.
Technology replaces guesswork with precision.
Clean extraction protects protein quality.
This liquid carries the future of whey protein.
Cooling locks in freshness instantly.
Quality control starts at the source.
The journey from farm to factory begins. Once sealed, nothing interferes with purity. Logistics move freshness forward.
Distance never pauses the process.
Engineering keeps the load stable.
Infrastructure carries scale.
The factory is ready to receive.
From here, industry takes control.
This is where milk becomes protein.
Every movement follows a mapped route. Positioning ensures clean transfer.
Safety secures the operation.
Transfer begins at the connection point. Two sealed systems become one.
The factory accepts its raw input. Now the internal process begins. Before separation, purity is reinforced. Even invisible particles are removed. Centrifugal force sharpens clarity.
Automation controls the flow.
Stability prepares milk for transformation.
Control protects protein structure.
The critical split approaches. Here, whey begins to emerge.
This is where whey is released.
The protein-rich stream is isolated.
Nothing is wasted in modern processing.
Whey is gathered for refinement.
Purity increases with each pass.
Protein density begins to rise.
Data guides every decision.
Now, liquid becomes ingredient. Water is removed to strengthen protein. Efficiency is built into every layer. The liquid grows heavier with protein. Transformation accelerates here.
Liquid becomes powder in seconds.
Form takes shape. Controlled discharge preserves quality. Now automation takes over. Automation ensures scale without compromise. Consistency is constantly observed. Uniformity defines performance. Safety layers remain invisible, but vital. Balance is engineered, not assumed.
Software guides physical precision.
Flow never breaks. Final refinement begins. Refinement begins. Precision defines every gram. Texture is carefully engineered. Consistency is locked in. Verification never stops.
Flowability is preserved.
Uniformity is complete. Proof comes next.
Every batch must be confirmed. Must be confirmed.
Every batch enters scrutiny.
Precision begins with small measures.
Water levels are critical to quality. Accuracy ensures nutritional value.
Safety and stability are verified. Only approved batches advance. Verified powder moves forward.
Quality confirmed. The end is in sight.
The final stage begins.
Each package is measured exactly. Traceability is locked in. Accuracy is verified one last time. Speed meets consistency. ready for global movement. Stored under controlled conditions. And this is how modern factories produce whey protein from start to finish.